Hell no, there's ice here, bro. Ah, yes. Beautiful day. One day left in February. This is all I needed. One ride. Being locked up inside is not fun. Anyway, what's up everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a great day. Enjoying the sun, I hope, on this beautiful 27th of February. It is in the high 40s here in Chicago. A couple of weeks ago we were flooded with snow, and now a lot of it's melted and we can go for a ride in the R3. A lot of people ask me, hey, aren't you cold riding in 40-degree weather? And I'm like, no. The trick is you have to you gotta dress for the weather like 10 degrees colder. If it's 40 degrees out, you gotta dress like it's 30. If it's 30, you gotta dress like it's 20. Sometimes even 15 degrees. We're gonna head out to the lakefront. Hopefully the Montrose beach is open. It's been closed for almost a year now with COVID. Oh, I don't like this, all this water. Montrose beach has been closed for almost a year now. You can't even go walk. You can't park. Maybe you can walk, I haven't tried. But you definitely can't park there, which kind of sucks. We're first gonna take the expressway or the highway down to the Adler Planetarium. And then we're gonna take Lakeshore all the way up to Montrose. A short little ride, not too long, as I have some things to do, but had to find some time to ride on this beautiful day.